Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Not sure how to handle shipping in your Shopify store? In this step-by-step video, I will show you how to set up shipping zones, rates, profiles, and even free shipping options, everything you need to start delivering order orders smoothly. So, first of all, go to shopify.com. Then log into your account. Once you are in, click settings at the bottom left, then click shipping and delivery. Now understand shipping profiles. Shipping profiles help you charge different shipping rates for different products. Shopify gives you a general profile by default, but you can create custom profiles if needed. So go to shipping and delivery section, create a custom profile, give it a name, add products, and follow the process, and finally click save. Now it's time to add shipping zone. Go back to shipping and delivery section, click the shipping, scroll down. Now you can see the option called shipping zones. Then click add shipping zone, search for countries or region like USA, or add more countries in region markets, then click done. Now click manage rates or add rate under your profile, then choose which countries or regions will ship to, like the US, UK, or worldwide. If you ship locally, you can even set zip code specific delivery areas. Now add your shipping rates fixed, weight based or price based. Flat rate, change the same amount like $5 shipping for all orders. Weight based price changes based on product weight. Price based free shipping over a certain amount. To offer free shipping, just add rate and give it a rate type, like use flat rate, then name it like free shipping, and set the condition like orders over $50. This can increase your sales and improve conversions. Then click done. Then save your profile. If you sell locally, Shopify also lets you offer local delivery or store pickup. Go to shipping and delivery, then scroll down to local delivery option, like that, then click setup. Set the location, zip codes, fees, and delivery times, or enable local pickup from your store address. If you want real time shipping rates from DHL, FedEx, or USPS, enable carrier calculated shipping. Go back to delivery and shipping and delivery section. Then enable third-party calculated rates at checkout and follow the process. This works if you are on Shopify Advanced or use third-party apps. This gives your customer the most accurate and reliable rates during checkout. Once done, test your shipping setup by placing a test order. Go to your online store tab from dashboard, then click preview store. Now select a product, then choose color, size, then click add to cart. Go to cart section and click checkout and follow the payment process. Make sure Jones prices and delivery methods show correctly. And that's how to fully set up your Shopify shipping in 2025, whether you are delivering locally or worldwide. These settings will help you ship smarter. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If this guide was helpful, drop a comment if you need any help with shipping apps. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.